next thing which we want to see is Chrome for testing. So what it is, first of all. So after Chrome version 114, I think, Chrome version 114, um, Chrome is giving you, Google Chrome is giving you the specialized version of their browser for the testing purpose. So there are two kind of Chrome. One is Chrome for test, and one is Chrome for your browser, what you do manually you are doing on your system, right? Chrome for use, what you use, like you install the Chrome and then you are using it, right? So Chrome you can use, Chrome for test you can use even if you have not downloaded the Chrome. Okay, you don't have to download. It's possible. What I'm saying is you don't have to download the Chrome in your system to use Chrome for test, first of all. Okay, how to do that? So there is a step. I'm giving you the steps here how to do that. It's very simple. Steps is first step is get the Chrome for test exe and sorry driver exe. So it's like driver exe you have to get Chrome driver. I'll give the proper name. Uh, Chrome driver.exe and Chrome exe. So another thing is there are two things here. One is this, and second thing which you should get is get means download. You have to download it from a particular place. Get the chrome.exe. Fine. Third step is put it properly somewhere. Properly put it somewhere. Somewhere in framework or folder structure, wherever you want to put. It's up to you. Fourth step is set system property. I'll show you that code. Then set binary code, set binary path. That code, um, that's it. That's it. Where you will get this thing, that is important. From where you will get it. Here. So you just say in Google, you will say Chrome driver. Let's do it. Google and we'll say Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome driver. So chromedriver.chromium.org. This is the website. Everybody knows that. Read about these things. There are older releases which you can get it from here, but now you have Chrome for testing. There is a dashboard available. Yes, this one. So the latest version is 122.0.6261.94. There may be old version also you can use. So basic thing is now you can use the older version of Chrome also, but it is in terms of Chrome for test, right? So as of now, if I want to work with 122 version, right, what I will do, I have to get two things. I have to get two things. One is the Chrome driver, first of all, and one is the binary. Okay, so you have to get Chrome driver. Let's say if I'm using what I'm using Windows 64, this one. So this will give me the Chrome driver.exe, right? So click here and open it in another browser, this particular thing. And once you have downloaded, click here also, copy this, open in a new browser. This will give you the uh, 2-zip file. Unzip that and put it in another folder. So that I want to show. Let's say I have created one folder inside my C drive somewhere, and I have put that this two extracted folder here. One is Chrome driver hyphen Windows 64. which has Chrome driver.exe, and one is Chrome-Win64, which is a bigger one. A lot of things are here. And inside that, there is a Chrome application. So I want to instantiate this application. You don't have to install the Chrome. Again, saying you don't have to install the Chrome, right? It's not required. If it is there in your system already, it's fine. But I want to use Chrome for test for a particular version. It's like this. So what to do in the code now? So let's do that. I think I have done it already. So I'll show you what to do. Okay, let's open it. Let's create a new class. Hold on. So in my source test Java browser practice, we will say new class Chrome for test. Chrome for test. Okay. One thing which you have to do is set property. In olden days, you know how you were doing the same thing. So system dot set property. This one. What was that? WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, I think. And then the path. Where is your Chrome driver present? And create the options. So I'll say Chrome options is equals to new Chrome options. And options dot, I think set binary is there somewhere. Yes, set binary is there where you will provide the path of the binary. That's it. This is the new code. Any mistake here? WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Hmm, maybe double quote we have to provide. I forgot. Yeah. So where is my driver? So I'll give this path, this one. Okay. I'll provide this. And the path is basically 2 times double slash here. Chrome driver dot exe. Fine. And here in the binary, again, the same thing, but not this path. This is this one slash slash, and then inside that there is chrome.exe. So I'll say chrome.exe. That, that's it. So this is the thing you have to do if you want to work with particular version of Chrome for test. As of now, we are using what version it is? 122.0 in this, all these things. Okay. If you want to work with the older version, that is also fine. They have provided you. In fact, the beta version, the next version which is coming for the Chrome, for the developers, there is something else. You will get the older version also. So, there will be a list of all those things if you want to get. Fine. That's it. And where is my code? Where is my further code to do all these things? So let's do that. Something, this things. Okay, done. Now I will run this code. Let's see what will happen. Yes, so it's opening on Chrome for testing now, a particular version of Chrome for testing, and it's working fine. Done. Okay. And I will not close it. So this is the way. Simple thing is you have to set the property for where is your Chrome driver.exe present. Then you have to set the binary. And this is particularly helpful to run in your, let's say, Jenkins machine or virtual machine where you don't have Chrome. You don't have to install the Chrome. It will do on the fly. Okay, on the fly. It's not like on the fly. It's like you are providing. Obviously, somewhere you have to have this thing in your system, right? But Chrome as an application, you don't have to install it, right? Earlier days, like 2 years back, what was happening is if you want to work with the Chrome, you should have Chrome available on your system, right? And there is a match happens like, okay, that what kind of Selenium version you are using, what kind of Chrome driver you using, and what kind of Chrome version you have in your system. It should match. Then only it works. Now what Chrome Google is doing is, hey, we will provide you compatible Chrome driver as well as the Chrome exe itself. So you don't have to worry about it. You get both the things from us from this website. Okay, from this website, we are providing you both the things. Use it and use it for your testing purpose. So it's a good move from the Google Chrome that they are providing something for the testing itself. You don't have to open normal browser for the testing now. Okay. Now going to the next agenda, somebody has asked about Shadow DOM element. Great. So first of all, what is Shadow DOM element? Right. So Shadow DOM elements in some of the UI technology, they use Shadow DOM element for some security purpose. Okay. So these kind of elements are hard to what we say detect. Okay. It's difficult to work with that. And what is the structure generally for the shadow DOM element? I want to show in HTML format. So generally, it's like this. I'm not writing the whole HTML code, but for everyone to have a basic idea how it looks like, right? So let's say there is an input type text box. Input type is equals to text, which is generally a text box where you can put anything, correct? And then end of the input. Correct? So this is will be the text box. And let's say ID is equals to uh, my name, okay, or username, something like that. So how you can identify this element? You can simply write driver dot find element, then by dot ID, and then in the bracket you can say my name, correct? And then you can say send keys, and then you can send anything, correct? This is the usual way of doing it. But if it is under a shadow element, right, which will look like this shadow, some hash root will be there. So then this code will not work. Okay, this code will simply not work. If it is inside a shadow, okay, it will not work. Basically, it will be here, not here. But I'll show you the real example. My purpose was showing it. Whenever you see the shadow, it is not going to work. This code is not going to work. Okay. And there are two kind of shadow element. One is open and one is closed. So if it is a closed element, you cannot automate. If it is an open element, then only you can use it. Selenium has provided the solution for this. But before that, let's see where we can practice that. The problem is it providing you the shadow element? Yeah, shadow element is there. We can practice. Great. So I can show you this. So for example, if I'll right click here and I'll do this. See here. This is a perfect example. So let's see this website. If I want to get uh, the text, let's have some different text. I'll not be able to get it, right? Usually I should be able to do it. I should be able to do it by saying driver dot find element by span where slot value is my text. Get it. I should be able to do it. Let me check whether it is under shadow or not. Sometimes it looks like it is under shadow, but it is not. So let me actually get it at right hand side so that things will be clear. Okay. Hmm. So this text is here. This shadow open paragraph is not my default text. Okay. And there is one more shadow. Let me see that also. So if I'll inspect this particular thing, that is under list and then something. Yeah, let's see. What I'm saying is let's try first. Let's try to automate. You will get to know what I'm saying. Okay. We'll do it in the next part so that this video will be separated about what we are doing about the Chrome for test.